Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to split payment on Uber. So, I was booking an Uber the other day and realized something pretty handy. If you're riding with a friend, you don't actually need to awkwardly figure out who's paying later. So, I opened the app, set up a normal trip like I always do, pick a destination, and went through the usual booking flow. Once I reached the payment screen, that's where I noticed a small but useful option: split fare. I tap into it just to see how it works, and it basically turns your ride into a shared bill between you and your friend. You just select the person you're riding with, and Uber handles the rest in the background. It shows the trip details first, like distance and fare breakdown, then lets you spend the split request. Once you accept, everything is divided automatically. Honestly, it feels like one of those features that saves you from the classic "I'll send it later" situation that somehow never gets settled. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.